Someone like a dark roast, some light. We are good in both. But the one thing is sure, when the temperature is off, the flavor is off. Different roast types need the different temperature to reach the perfect bean-cup quality. Same as a tea. That's why every recipe needs to have its own perfect temperature. And that's where our technology comes in. Behind all those technology, we invent an advanced boiler system which you can set up individual temperatures for each recipe. Simply by talking, we heated up the boiler to 120 degrees and mixing with the cold water, you can set it up exact recipe. I see this feature super helpful in busy cafés, restaurants, when the owners would target bigger group of customers with different types of beans. And at the same time, keep the top of the quality. Every drink is a perfect temperature. Just the way it should be.